Step 2 for importing grades to PowerSchool, if you are using Google Classroom, you are going to go up to Classwork. You're going to click on your item, assignment, and view. And then you've got your students listed, which I know would be more than one, like me right now. I'm just using this as a test to play around with and show you how to do this stuff. And then over here, we are going to click on the gear wheel, and we're going to download these grades as a CSV. When I open that CSV file, I've got information in a format that PowerSchool doesn't like that format, and they need the ID number, which is why we created that document in the first place, the spreadsheet before. All I want are the grades. So I'm going to copy and paste my whole list of students that I would have. And this is for my ethics quiz. So if you're pulling from Google Classroom, you'll have to make sure you add the title to the column for your full class. So here was my first period grades that I made earlier. And now I'm going to pretend that I have the same number of students because I'm pulling from the same class, and that they are also the same person. Some of you may have realized that the other one was a totally different name from these two. In order to make this work so I can show you how these things can be done, I'm having to pull from multiple different accounts, and I don't have a student roster right now, so I don't have any students in PowerSchool. So I'm using somebody else's, and that's why the names are different, and I'm using my Google Classroom stuff. And so anyway, your names would match up, okay? And we're also going to assume that I pulled that because I had 2 students, okay? Just to make this all work. So now that I have copied over, I'm going to say ethics test just so I know what that grade is in the future if I pull this up. I'm going to save this as a CSV file. So I'm going to save as. I like to send my quick stuff to the desktop. And then because this is going to be a CSV file, I'm going to change it. I'm going to just add that to my title so I can know the difference. Then we're going to save the type to CSV, comma delimited, and you notice there are a couple different CSV options. So just make sure you pick the right one, comma delimited, and save. You might get a box pop up that says something along the lines of the way it saves. You just want to hit yes. Okay? So once you have this as a CSV file, which is here on my desktop, then I'm ready to move on to step 3.